Welcome! In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I'll show you how you can change display resolution and orientation. So at the first you have to simply go for the settings. When we are here, go for the system, and when we are in the display, we have to scroll down a little bit, and here we can find display resolution and display orientation. So if you want to, if you want to change your resolution, for example for this one, just click on it once. You can keep changes or revert. And if you want to change display orientation, just pick one of them. So we can, for example, I'll flip the landscape mode. And the same, we can keep changes or just revert. If you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.